Welcome back to another episode of Frisky Friday. I'm joined with Yi. And today we are cooking pescado romano.
Arroz a la cubana.
Yeah, we're doing that.
We need to cook the rice for about 20 minutes.
Okay.
And then just put like fried eggs on top and tomato sauce with it.
Okay, so very simple and very
delicious.
cheap, but delicious. So we're just portioning out the rice.
What we need to do is cook the rice first, then add water, and the quantity of water that we're adding is 2 cups and a half more than the quantity of rice that you have. Cook the rice first,
Okay.
let it toast a little bit,
Oh, okay.
and then add the water. And we're gonna do it by 3 stages. First, high heat in 3 minutes, then we're gonna lower down to medium for 10 minutes, and then we're gonna put it on low and cover it with the lid and let it sit for 7 more minutes. So in total it's 20.
Yeah.
Now after 3 minutes we're gonna put it on medium heat and just wait. We're gonna cover it and turn it to low heat and wait for the final 7 minutes.
So now we're just gonna fry the eggs.
Yeah.
You're gonna want to have it on medium heat.
Medium.
Yeah. Yeah, not high. If you put it on high, that's when it like. Where did you get this recipe from?
I used to eat this at lunch at my school.
That's better than our lunches. We just had like pasta, beans, and cheese.
No, we had
was
like
our lunch.
every day different meals, like a 3-course meal.
3-course meal.
Yeah.
What?
Private school check. It was nice, but it felt like a jail.
Add the eggs. We need to flip it now. So going for sunny side down.
As we got the rice, we're gonna put on just the tomato sauce on top, as much as you want.
That looks good.
And we're done. Now when you cut them, like the yolk is gonna spread all over. You're gonna mix with the tomato and the rice and it's gonna taste so good.
It's nice. How do you say bon appetit in Spanish?
Buen apetito.
Bon appetito.
Aproveche.